Look at the school bus driver.
The bus driver's gonna get you.
The bus driver's mad at him. Look at this one. He's like, look at these kids.
Terrible.
Golly. Molly just pulled up behind this school bus and like, I guess they saw us whip the camera out. They were like flipping people off and acting crazy and dancing and all kinds of dumb stuff. And now the entire school, like all the kids on the school bus, when you see this camera, people know you're like, okay, they do YouTube. And like the whole entire school bus is like in the back. They're always like, there's gotta be maybe 15 kids looking out the window at us right now. That school bus driver keeps slamming on the brakes to make them stop.
They won't sit down.
Yeah, and then when we were coming up, the school bus driver was pulled over, probably yelling at them. I guarantee you.
I mean, it's not safe to be standing up on a school bus.
So today we are hanging out with the Days. That is who was in the last video, and where the door basically halfway opened. A little teaser.
It's the runaway parents.
The runaway parents. I'm gonna leave their link in the description somewhere. There goes the school bus, right there, running the red light. Dirty! Dang, he's probably like, I'm just trying to get these kids off the school bus. I'm tired of dealing with these kids. Oh, there they are right there.
Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are we racing for titles?
I think, yes.
We are?
Let's do that.
Okay. We're gonna do it. Did you see that school bus?
Yeah,
they were flipping me off.
They're flipping you off.
Yeah, I got them on video.
Naughty children.
Yeah, the bus driver was angry at them. Like, they were pulled over when he first stopped by. Then I pulled this up, and there was like 20 kids. They're like, dang. She would go to sleep right when we get here.
I know.
Like, literally, we're hoping she would take a nap on the way here. And now that we have arrived at Urban Air, she's asleep. Look how peaceful she is. She's sleeping. Hey man, where's your shoe at?
I don't know. We're trying to find it.
Happy birthday, man.
Thanks.
How old are you today?
6.
6? Well, happy birthday. All right, man. $10 for your birthday. What are you gonna go buy? You don't know? Maybe a shoe? You gonna buy another shoe? Maybe?
Where is your shoe?
I don't know.
Hey, you don't need no shoes where we're going. Just some socks to jump. All right, we're gonna go have a good little birthday. Let's go. Did you see it?
See what?
Voted #1 for birthday parties. Today is your birthday. Dude, it's the place. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, gotta get you some socks so we can get you jumping, man. Hey, this Urban Air is pretty cool.
It's pretty cool.
Compared to the one that we got.
Yeah.
This one's got all kinds of, like this is in the middle here. I don't think I've ever been to a different Urban Air. I've only been to the one in Mansfield.
In Texas. Yeah. Now we're in
Just the
Florida.
one? Or did you go to a different Urban Air?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I thought you went to one like that was inside of like a warehouse.
I could have.
They made a different brand.
Oh,
So
yeah, we went to a different brand.
it was a different brand? It wasn't
It
this
was
one?
called something Air. Not Urban Air.
Wasn't Urban Air. You sticking your tongue at me? Oh, what was that? What was that? There it is again. Is it your tongue? Let's go. Let's go jump. Can you make it to the top? You gotta try to run and make it to the top. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh. Dude, the ultimate wedgie.
See, mine was slow.
They need to wax it or something. Talk about the ultimate wedgie. My shorts are like, they need to put some wax on that thing or something. I think it's like yes in puppy words, right? Are you a puppy? Hey, you forgot your hair bow. Boom. Where'd you go? Are you a puppy? Are you a puppy? Ah. It's like pin the tail on the donkey, but pin the hair bow on the child. Hey, get over here. Get over here. Let me put the hair bow back on you. Hey, come here. Who's gonna win out of all of us? Me, because I'm taller, so I go faster. I'm still taller than you. Still taller than you, and still taller than you.
But it doesn't count.
Oh, swipe. All right, so the girls are headed off to do the zip line. Have you guys seen that video where the lady looks like she's just laying there? I'm gonna tell Lily she should do that for the video. Secret menu items, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see it. What is it? Okay. Okay, so what kind of pretzel is this?
Sweet almond.
Sweet almond.
Willow.
Hey, oh.
It's hot, baby girl.
You want a bite?
I bought two. One for you guys,
Two.
one for us.
Molly went to Annie's or Annie Ann's, however, Annie Ann's, and they were like, we don't have any fresh pretzels. They only have the ones in the cups. You can't be eating that. So she went and got some fresh pretzels. Where's it again?
Are you gonna jump in?
Daddy, go.
Daddy, go.
Huh? Come on. You gonna jump? Ow.
Kieran, stop
Try to
it.
get up.
You are not.
I'm getting old.
Because you jumped around everywhere like a little kid.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting older. My back's starting to ache.
Old man.
It's getting old. Look,
Old man right
creaking
here.
my neck just by talking like.
Old man.
Had a good little time with the runaway parents. Hope your brother had a good birthday. Did you have a good birthday?
Yes.
You did? What was your favorite part today?
The trampoline and getting this.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
So not the $10?
And
Not the $10?
$10.
Nope. You already said it. Forget it. No, I'm just kidding, dude. I'm just kidding.
He bought his ice cream with his
You bought your
$10.
ice cream? Oh, that's okay.
See?
At least your money, at least the money is going to some good stuff, some fun.
I
That's what
got a
life's
treat.
all about.
I still got a $5 and $1.
You got your change? Now we can definitely go get you some shoes. All right, birthday boy wanted to come to IHOP.
It's one of my favorite places.
It's not your birthday. So we went to IHOP. All the boys rode in there. We're just gonna go to IHOP. Jackson's like, oh, I want the tres leches pancakes. I'm like, dude, you can have those. Birthday boy wanted to come to IHOP. That's what we got. Ready to eat some pancakes? Oh yeah.